Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have part 2 of my After Dark Clean with Me video. I did post part 1 last weekend, so if you guys haven't checked that out, I will have it linked down below in the description box. But for today's video, I am just focusing on the second floor, so the guest room, my office, and also our bedroom. And me and my siblings actually had a sleepover that weekend, so that's why the guest room looks very messy, but other than that, the room is always pretty much clean unless they're sleeping over. I find it very relaxing to clean during the nighttime because once you're done, you literally just lay down and go to bed, and then the next day everything is already cleaned. And especially since we go to work, when we come back it's still so very clean, and it's just a very good feeling coming to a very clean home and just like a very clean environment. I don't know, it's just like the best thing ever. So I have a dog. She is a mini golden doodle, and if you guys are familiar with those type of dogs, they are very just like poodly, and their hair is just very curly, so her hair grows pretty quickly. And I remember last year I took her to like a grooming place, and I did not like how they cut her hair because they cut it very short and she just looked like a whole different dog. So after that, I decided to buy like my own grooming kit and start practicing on her, and I would literally watch YouTube videos all day and all night on how to groom dogs' hair. And I would look up like how to groom mini golden doodles and just golden doodles in general, and eventually I just got the hang of it. So now I'm the one who cuts her hair and stuff. That's why there was a lot of hair on the floor, but I usually do it in the bathroom. But I just prefer to cut her hair literally myself because I do not trust anybody else.
Shouldn't be with someone like me. Sometimes I think they're right, honey. Sorry for the tears in your eyes. Hey, love, forgive me just one more try. Used to hide myself away in the night, looking for trouble and fights, looking for answers at the bottom of my glass. You found me lost in the night, looking for trouble and fights, but you found me. someone to rely on, someone to
Every time I film a video and I clean the office, and when I'm editing the footage, like right now, I always remember how I'm always talking about redoing this room and adding this and adding that, and I never do. Like, I just don't take initiative, but I just need to start buying furniture for it, because if not, it's always going to be the same thing and it's always just going to look the same. So I just feel like I just need to start somewhere. And thing is, like, this room doesn't even have any blinds or any curtains, so you can definitely see from the outside in. So yeah, you would think that I would be worried about that and like start somewhere or at least have some curtains up, but no, I don't.
A minute until midnight, I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
The dresser in the bedroom is what always gets me. We can never keep it clean for more than a day because that's where we just throw random stuff, clothes, bras, underwears, literally anything, and we just throw it on there until it gets filled up and just like nothing else fits on there. And we just clean it up again, and then the same thing happens again. We start putting stuff on there and we have to clean it again, and it's like the same thing over and over again, and it's just a constant cycle where we are just throwing stuff on there and cleaning it back up.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the
Now I know you guys are probably wondering like, why did she just make the bed when it's nighttime and she's about to go to bed? But my thing is like, if you don't make the bed, it just makes the room look dirtier. So I've always been the type of person that if you make the bed, your room is gonna look so much cleaner. Your room can literally be a mess with so much stuff on the floor, but the minute you make your bed, it's just gonna look a lot cleaner. And that's why I made the bed, because then the room would have still looked dirty, and I feel like it wouldn't have been a point to have cleaned the room or did the video in the first place. So that's why I just made the bed, even though I was gonna go to bed right after. So lately on Saturday nights is when I will do laundry, put it away, and all that fun stuff. And now I've also found a new routine on Saturday nights where instead I edit my videos on Saturday nights and I just upload them on Sunday. So I literally have like the whole day off and I don't have to worry about anything. So that is like my new routine, and it has been very good so far because it saves me so much time on Sundays. On Sundays, all I have to do is run errands in the morning, and then that's it. I have the rest of the Sunday off to do whatever I want.
If I want, let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. Your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wild.
So that is it for this part 2 of this After Dark Clean With Me video. Once again, part 1 will be linked down below. That is where I clean the whole first floor. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos. I do post on here every Sunday. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.